This week, right before the Mexico, we announced our collaboration and our partnership with Mediabrands under IPG. This partnership is all about building products and innovating around better user experience and better thinking about better humans around the connected TV and this future of television. So what it means is that there's a lot of work right now on building ad technology and targeting and data collection and delivery and a lot of other stuff, but not a lot of people are really thinking about the viewing experience. Something that was amazing around television is that when you flip the switch and turn on the television, it just worked, and it always worked pretty amazingly. What we're focusing is that when the internet come into television, we want to make sure that the user experience will be still stunning and perfect. So it will just work, and all the extra capabilities will work perfectly on that new world of television.
So could you explain a little bit more? Is this part of the delivery? Is it part of the analytics around what viewership? Explain a little bit.
So it actually goes through all the different pieces. So we always say that our platform is divided into three main buckets: the creation of the assets and putting it on steroids, the ability to do interactivity, the delivery of that video, and the measurement and analytics of it. So what we're doing together with Mediabrands actually go throughout all three of them, allowing better user experience. And I'll give you an example. So the beautiful part of this new capabilities on connected TV allows a viewer to indicate that he or she is interested, and would like to learn more about the brand. So for example, if I'm watching a commercial from an airline, I can very easily press a remote button and say, yes, I'm interested in the offer that you have for first bag checked free, text it to my phone, and I would like to save it on my Apple Wallet or Android Wallet, and I will use it next time that I'm on board. So all of those are ways of how to build better user experience, and not all of it needs to be on the television itself, but we're working a lot on connecting between the main screen and the second screen. So there are three main areas that we're working on right now and investing a lot of our R&D and our partnerships and a lot of our efforts. One of them is working in the television space, as I just mentioned. We're doing a lot of integration to any device manufacturer and any other technologies, and building a middleware or marketing middleware for the OTT space. The second one is a lot around data. So we would like to be fully integrated into a lot of marketing automation system and allow marketers to feel very easily that all his data flows quickly into that advertising space. And the third one is that we're doing a lot of work in the Walled Garden, the social platform. We announced earlier this year a partnership with Snapchat, later a partnership with Twitter, and we're doing a lot of work with Facebook and Instagram as well, essentially all around the realm of working with marketers to deliver video easily across any device and across any platform that people consume video, and collect all the data in one place and clean it so you can make it actionable.